Good morning, friends. Today is 12 June 2021, and today's important current affairs and updates we'll discuss. So, let's start. Today is observed as World Day Against Child Labor by International Labour Organization, and this picture is from the tweet by UN. And as you can see, the theme is International Year for the Elimination of Child Labor. So, we'll proceed with the questions now. What is India's organic farm exports for financial year 2020 to 21? Answer is $1.04 billion, which is an increase of around 51%. Next question. What is India's GDP growth projected by ICRA, called as ICRA, for financial year 2021 to 2022? And the answer is 8.5%. Moving to next question. What is India's growth rate forecast by World Bank for the financial year 2021 to 22? So it was changed again. So answer is 8.3%. It was changed by World Bank. Previously it was different. Now next question. What is India's GDP and inflation forecast by Nomura? Nomura is from Japan. So answer is 7.7% and 5.3% respectively. Next question. What is the estimation of sugar production in India for marketing year 2020-21 by AISTA? AISTA is All India Sugar Trade Association. Answer is 30.5 million tons is the estimate by AISTA. Next question. Which country has signed MOU with India for cooperation on recruitment of domestic workers? It was recently in news. It was a very important question. Answer is Kuwait. Next question. Who has been appointed as Chief Information Officer by Wipro? And the answer is Mr. Anu Purohit. He was previously working with Yes Bank. Now next question. Who has been named as the next chief of Bangladesh Army? So again it's an important question. Answer is Lieutenant General S.M. Shafiuddin Ahmad. It is an important question. It will be asked. Now next question. Which web aggregator has got approval from IRDAI to undertake insurance broking license? So the answer is Policy Bazaar, which is one of the biggest platforms online. Now next question. What is India's foreign exchange reserves as on June 4, 2021? It is a benchmark figure, the highest till now, and the answer is $605.008 billion. Moving to the next question. Who has acquired Payback India, a multi-brand loyalty program platform? So answer is Bharat Pay. Answer is Bharat Pay. Now moving to the next question. Who has won Pen Pinter Prize 2021? So the answer is Sishi Dangaramga. She's from Zimbabwe. Next question. Who has approved $500 million program to strengthen performance of MSME in India? Answer is World Bank. Next question. Who has written The Bench? It's a 2021 picture book for children. And the answer is Meghan Markle. So thank you friends for watching this. Do like and subscribe the channel and keep learning. Thank you. Take care.